Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. Just acquired this Volvo, a V90 diesel. It's the Inscription all-wheel drive, and what a fantastic price range car this is. Looks like £20,000 worth, but it's only just under 10 because of the mileage. It doesn't look anywhere near that. Drives fantastic, great specification, great service history. Cam belt's been done. I'm just walking around it now, as you can see. It's the D5 all-wheel drive, automatic. Absolutely does not look like it's mileage in any way, shape or form. It's just arrived as well. This has just literally had a wash. It's not even been detailed yet. The seats, there's just no wear on the seats. Proper Volvo quality. Electric memory seats there. It's got an electric tailgate. Got the carpet mats there. Parcel shelf. So it hasn't even been hoovered. So there's been, as you can see, it's in a lovely condition. It's going to be even better when we finish with it. Electric memory driver's seat, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Oh, the inside of the car is just lovely. Just look at that, no wear. Got heated seats, obviously. Kind of like this. Start it up. Sounds lovely. Perfect. So you've got your satellite navigation. DAB, Bluetooth connectivity, heated seats, cruise control, centre armrest, USB. Absolutely lovely. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.